here. Hey, what's up YouTube? So today I got a special unboxing. I finally got my Audeze Penrose headset and we're gonna do a quick unboxing, look at what's in this box. It's been a long 2, maybe 3-month wait. So I'm excited. Let's crack into this box, shall we? Alright. I just got it in the mail literally today. A day earlier than expected, I guess. Thanks for that. Oh, it's been so long, my friend. Oh, look at it. Let's get this thing out now. Audeze Penrose headset. It's just been so long. I've been waiting for this thing and so excited. I had the SteelSeries Arctic 7 before this, and while it wasn't really behaving too well, had problems, yada yada, here we are. Alright. Here it is, y'all. Audeze Penrose wireless planar magnetic headset. Let's see, so we got Bluetooth 2.4 low latency wireless, broadcast quality microphone technology, 100mm planar magnetic drivers. Like, I am hyped for that. I'm hyped for the mic, especially this thing is supposed to be able to connect to Bluetooth, to your phone, and to your gaming console at the same time. You can play music from Spotify, YouTube. I don't know if people still use Pandora, whatever you name it. So let's finally get this thing open now. Be very careful. Alright, come on. I think I got it. Nice, whoops. We got us an instruction manual. Actually, before we get into that, let me show some more of the box. Kind of didn't show the side, so same thing over here, just like more specs and stuff like that. On the back, kind of gives you a breakdown of the insides, battery, the mic, all the specs that you could care about, I guess. Here you go, take a look for yourself. Has a memory foam headband, flexible headband, has memory foam cushions, also has the Audeze HQ desktop and mobile app, which I saw them post a video about it. It looks pretty good. It has some drivers, ultra thin film diaphragm. That's just the layer in between all the stuff. Not sure how much that plays a factor, but again, has some cool stuff here. Again, broadcast quality microphone, laser etched uniform voice coil. Not sure what that is. Phasar wave guides. Something to do with the battery. A lot of stuff that I have no idea what it is. Honestly, I think they're pretty fancy. If you've checked out my last video about the pre-unboxing or pre-talking about the Penrose, you can check it out. Link in the description, but yeah, enough of that boring talk. Let's get back to the main thing. So here we are. Let me flip this up. Oh, we're just getting deeper and deeper. Just showing us how to use the thing. Hold it for pairing, all that good stuff. Has a nice cushion here. Don't know if you can see it, but it's nice and cushiony. I'm guessing just to protect the internals. Alright, we got a little kind of button diagram, layout diagram, so we know what's what. Right? You can see that here. Put that aside for now. Warnings and precautions. Yeah, like we're going to read that. The thing even looks cool. Just like, I know it's plastic probably. Has a little bit of a soft touch finish, right? Alright, let's take this stuff out. Side. You only get one unboxing, alright? Just to make it magical all the time. Oh, it feels so good. It's definitely soft touch finished. The ear cups, the ear pads, excuse me, are so soft and like cushiony. Can't wait to try these out. They rotate out like this. No cushion here. I'm feeling it. It's just all like headset in there, hard headset. But the cushion, I think it should be deep enough that your ear shouldn't touch it. That is a comfort thing, and I have had problems with that on other headsets. Let's check this out. This is nice. Oh yeah. Flip it over. Love the design. Here's the mic mute button, power button. Flip it around. See, give you guys an angle on this. There you go. So you can just see some of the buttons here. USB Type-C connector. Yep, we're starting to see more of those. The future is kind of now, right? That deal, all that stuff. Give you guys a little bit of a close-up of the cushions and the insides. All that. Give y'all a proper unboxing. So y'all can see this up close and personal right there. Nice and crisp. I love the design a lot. All right. Okay, sit down for now. So now, let's get into the box. Get a little deeper. I guess we gotta take this out. Buy a cushion. And I'm guessing these are all our cables and adapters and this and that. Stuff went bugs and stuff eating our stuff. Glad that's in there. Alright, we open this thing up. Alright, that is a big boom pop filter. You see the size of this thing here? What the heck? This thing is huge. Nice. It basically has like a little gray pop filter. Sorry, the camera wasn't working with us today. It looks cool. Has a backside. I'm guessing this is for like some kind of active noise canceling. All right. Put that back on. I see why the mic cushion was so big now. There you go. Get all the way back in. Nice. All right. We got us a USB Type-C cable. It's pretty firm. This thing must be crazy thick. All right, we have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Cool that they still have this. I'm glad this technology isn't going away any soon. And what do we have here? We just have a Type-C to Type-A cable. I'm guessing this is for connecting to your computer, maybe driver updates, firmware updates, things like that. And yeah, there you have it. My camera just stopped recording all of a sudden, but there you have it. Just got everything laid out here, all the cables and the headset itself. I'm gonna be testing it out for a little while, maybe a few weeks. I like to give like full thorough reviews, make sure I get enough time with the product, plus I work, so gotta balance things out. Subscribe if you want to see the actual full review of this thing. Don't have a PS5, even though this is a PS5 marketed headset. PS5 is kind of hard to get right now, so yeah, there's that. So I'll be testing on PS4 and my gaming PC, which I have, and that should be plenty. I'm also going to be doing a full microphone review because of their claims of the broadcast quality, and I heard their SoundCloud sample upload and it sounds amazing, so I'm definitely going to be testing that as well. You want to check it out, subscribe, drop a comment if you have any questions at all. Would love to answer or just chit chat with you guys. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. Thanks for watching. It's Woody Pixel, and peace out. See y'all in the next one.